Hello viewers, in today's lesson I'm coming to show you how you can install Python 3 on Windows 11 operating system. My name is Eritan and this is Jack Tech YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video for us. Let's get started. I have placed the link to this page at the description. So just click on the link and you'll be redirected to this page. Once you're on this page, just scroll down to the bottom. At the bottom of this page, you see a table where we have installers for different operating systems. We have installer for Ubuntu, Linux, Mac OS, and then Windows operating system. So if you are using 64-bit Windows operating system, you will select the 64-bit. If you are using 32-bit, you download the 32-bit installer. So I am using Windows 64-bit, so I'll download the 64-bit installer. So I have downloaded it. Okay. So after you have downloaded the installer, just go to your downloads. So if you want to go to your downloads, go to start menu, type downloads, or Windows key plus R and type downloads. Yes. Alright, so now we have Python 3 installer here. Just double click on this installer. Alright, so this is the first screen that will appear. Don't forget to select this option, add Python 3 to path. So these settings will enable you to access Python from the command line. So after that, just click install now. So now we have finished installing the Python installer. So if you want to access Python, you can go to your start menu, type Python, or alternatively, you can go to run dialog, that is Windows key plus R. So the run dialog will open. So here, type py and press enter. Now, so this is the Python interpreter. You can type any Python command or you can run any Python command here. So here, let's try and run the hello world or the print statement. Print left parent quotes hello world, and then on quotes right parent. After that, press enter. Alright, so this is the hello world message on the screen. My name is Eritan and this is Jack Tech YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe to the channel for us. Thank you. See you later. Alright, bye bye.